Hi friends, today we'll discuss about another important concept in STLD subject, that is a design of counters. In counters we have synchronous counter as well as asynchronous counter. Both we have to design. Today we'll discuss about design of synchronous counter. This is maximum very important question in all university examinations. Within short time how you can able to design, that I will explain in easy way. So go for steps involved in design of synchronous counters. The first step is find the number of flip-flops. That is the first step. Number of flip-flops we have to find, and by using this formula 2 power n is greater than or equal to capital N. By using this formula we are going to find the number of flip-flops. Here small n is the number of flip-flops and capital N is the number of states. Okay, small n is the number of flip-flops, capital N is the number of states. Choose the type of flip-flop. The second step is choose the type of flip-flop. Maximum he will ask in the examination. Design a synchronous counter using JK flip-flop or T flip-flop, any other flip-flop. He will give maximum. If he may not specify, he may take any other flip-flop. So the second step is choose type of flip-flop. An excitation table for the counter for selected flip-flop. For example, here I am designing this counter using T flip-flop. Let us take excitation table of T flip-flop. For example, I am designing with D flip-flop. Then take excitation table of D flip-flop, like that. So excitation table for counter for selected flip-flop. For which flip-flop we are taking, for that flip-flop excitation table we have to take. And third one, after drawing this excitation table for counter by using excitation table for flip-flop, then go for the simplification. In any way you can simplify. So better way is K-map simplification. And last step is a logic diagram. After simplification we will get some Boolean expressions or output expressions. By using those expressions we have to draw the logic diagram. These are the 5 steps involved in design of any counter. So let us see first one example. Design of mod 5 counter using JK flip-flop. Design of mod 5 counter using JK flip-flop. Let us find number of flip-flops. What is the formula? 2 power n is greater than or equal to capital N. 2 power n is greater than or equal to capital N. 2 power n is greater than or equal to mod 5. These are the number of states. So 5 states we are going to count. That's why n is equal to 5 here. So capital N is equal to 5. Let us take n is equal to 5. What are the states? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0 to 4 it will count. Mod 5 counter will count from 0 to 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of states are 5 states we have. The states are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 it returns to 0. So otherwise 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 0. So total number of states are 5 only. That's why this is a mod 5 counter. So n is equal to 5. Then what is small n? Let us see here. 2 power n is greater than or equal to 5. How we will get n is nothing but, for example, let us take n is equal to 1 here. N is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 5? No. 2 is not greater than 5. 2 is not equal to 5. So n is not 1. Then go for 2. N is equal to 2. 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 5? No. 4 is not greater than 5 or 4 is not equal to 5. Then 2 also not correct. Then go for n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 is 2 power 3, that is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So that's why n is equal to 3 is correct. So that's why number of flip-flops are 3. Like this we have to find the number of flip-flops. If n is equal to 1, 2 is greater than or equal to 5. So that is not correct. That's why n is not 1. Then substitute n is equal to 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 5. So 2 power 2 is 4. 4 is not greater than 5 or not equal to 5. So n value is not 2. Then take 3. So 2 power 3 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. It is not equal but greater than 5. That's why n is equal to 3 is the Correct. So number of flip-flops are 3. First step is over. Then what is second step? Choose type of flip-flop. What is that? JK flip-flop. Already he has given. He has given. Okay. If he has not mentioned, take as your wish. Then excitation table for given flip-flop. Given flip-flop is JK. Excitation table is nothing but from 0 to 0. What is the J and K? For 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 1. What about the corresponding flip-flop outputs or flip-flop inputs? Flip-flop inputs. These are all flip-flop inputs. When J is equal to 0 and K is equal to don't care, it may be 0 or 1, then it goes to 0 to 0. And 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 1. Already we know the excitation table of JK flip-flop. Must and should we have to know excitation table and truth table. Then only we can able to design any counter. Otherwise this is impossible. Impossible to everyone. Okay. Then go for the excitation table for counter. Excitation table counter by using this excitation table of JK flip-flop. Then let us see here present state, next state and flip-flop inputs. We have these columns: present state, next state, flip-flop inputs. What is the present state? 0 to 5. Actually we are using how many flip-flops? 3 flip-flops. That's why QA, QB, QC. For example, I am taking one flip-flop. Let us take, this is for example J, K, and outputs are QN, QN bar. Otherwise I am taking JA and KA, then outputs are QA, QB bar, QA, QA bar, QA, QA bar. Like this we have outputs for single flip-flop. So here we are using like this JA, KA, we are using how many flip-flops? 3 flip-flops we are using. It may be JA, KA or J1, K1. Okay, so that's why I am taking 3 flip-flops as JA, KA, JB, KB, JC, KC. Then what are the present states? QA, QB, QC. For each flip-flop, for first flip-flop, QA is the present state. For next flip-flop, QB is the present state. For third flip-flop, QC is the present state. Okay, so QA, QB, QC are the present states. And the next states are QA plus 1, QB plus 1, QC plus 1. You may write otherwise QC plus 1, QB plus 1, QA plus 1. You may write in any manner, no problem. If you want, you may write QA, QB, QC and QA plus 1, QB plus 1, QC plus 1 like that. Any manner you may write, no problem. No problem. Okay. So here for example I am using 3 flip-flops. 3 flip-flops is nothing but what are the total combinations? 3 flip-flops is nothing but total combinations are 2 power 3. Nothing but 8. So we have 8 possible combinations. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7 is nothing but total 8 possible present states. I am writing 0 to 7. Then what are the next states? By using this state diagram. This is called as state diagram. State diagram. I think all of you know that state diagram. From this state diagram we have to write the next states. For 0, what is the next state? For 0, next state is 1. 0, 0, 1. For 1, what is the next state? 2. That is 0, 1, 0. For 3, for 2, what is the next state? 3. For 2, next state is 3. 0, 1, 1. For 3, what is the next state? 4. 3, next state is 4. For 4, what is the next state? 0. For 4, what is the next state? 0, 0. Then here we have 5. Here we have 5. For example, 5, 6, 7. These 3 states are not in the state diagram. In mod 5 counter, we don't have 5, 6, 7 states. That's why those states are not involved in the counter. For that, the next states are don't cares. We don't know what is the corresponding next state. That's why for 5, 6, 7, I am using don't cares. All are don't cares. For 5, next state is don't care. I don't know. For 6, don't care. I don't. Next state I don't know. That is a don't care. For 7, don't care. Okay. By using the state table, I wrote corresponding next state. For 0, next state is 1. 0, 0, 1. For 1, next state is 2. 0, 1, 0. For 1, for 2, next state is 3. That is 0, 1, 1. For 3, next state is 4. 1, 0, 0. For 4, next state is 0. Then, for this corresponding present state and next states, we have to write the flip-flop inputs. See here, for QC and QC plus 1, flip-flops are JC, KC. For C, state flip-flops are JCKC, and for B state JVKB, for A state JAKA. Already we know that flip-flops are 3, number of flip-flops are 3. We are using JK flip-flop. You may write J1K1, J2K2, J3K3. Otherwise, you may write JAKA, JBKB, JCKC, like this. JAKA, JBKB, JCKC. Any manner you may write, no problem, no problem. Then, by using this excitation table, we have to write the flip-flop inputs. How we are going to write? Let us see. From QC to QC plus 1, these two columns we have to observe. Here, prime state first column, next state first column you can observe. From 0 to 0, what is the JC and KC? 0 to 0, what is the J and K? 0 don't care. 0 don't care. 0 don't care. We have to write here only. In C flip-flop, we have to write these two corresponding lines. Okay? QC, QC plus 1. 0 to 0, it is transferring. That's why 0 to 0 is 0 don't care. 0 don't care. Next, 0 to 0 again. Again 0 to 0, 0 don't care. Again 0 to 0, let us see. 0 to 0, what is the next state? 0 don't care. And 0 to 1. 0 to 1, QC to QC plus 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 don't care, 0 to 1, 1 don't care, 1 don't care. Next, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, this state, 1 to 0, don't care 1, 1 to 0, don't care 1, and 1 to don't care. See here, here 1 to don't care. 1 to don't care state is here, no states are there. So 1 to don't care is nothing but whether it may be 1 to 0 or 1 to 1. We don't know. That's why here my flip-flop inputs also I don't know. You may write don't cares for 5, 6, 7. Here don't cares. Don't cares. Let us go to JBKB. The same manner. From QB to QB plus 1. 0 to 0 again. 0 don't care. 0 to 0. 0 don't care. Again QB to QB plus 1. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 1 don't care. 1 don't care. And so on. Like that you have to write for all values. So all values. So 0 don't care. 1 don't care. Don't care 0. Don't care 1. 0 don't care you will get. Again see here 0 to don't care here. QB to QB plus 1. QB to QB plus 1. QB is the prime state. QB plus 1 is the next state. 0 to don't care is nothing but I don't know the next state. That's why my flip-flop inputs are don't cares for 5, 6, 7. Then JAKA, for JAKA, QA to QA plus 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 don't care, 1 don't care. Next, 1 to 0, QA to QA plus 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, don't care 1, don't care 1. See here, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, don't care 1. And so on. You may write the remaining combinations also you may get don't care 1, don't care 1, 0 don't care. And again same 5, 6, 7 are not our states. Those are from 1 or 0 to don't cares. That's why corresponding flip-flop inputs are don't care values. Let us see corresponding K-map simplifications. K-map simplifications. Okay, this is clear. This is the excitation table for counter. Okay, from prime state to next state, what is the corresponding JAKA, JBKB, JCKC. Okay, if you know this, then K-map is very easy. After that, you can write the logic diagram. So this is the excitation table for modified counter for 0 to 7 states, that is for 3 flip-flops. From this excitation table, we have to derive some expressions using K-map. So this is the K-map. From this K-map, how many inputs we have? 3. JCKC, JBKB, JAKA. These all flip-flop inputs we have to find. For JC, I am going to take 3 inputs we have. QA, QB, QC. 3 variable K-map I am taking. This is the 3 variable K-map. QC, QB, QA. QC, QB, QA. From 0 to 7. That's why for this corresponding inputs, what is the output we have to find? Okay, QC, QB, QA. 3 variable K-map 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here for JC, this is the JC. what are the corresponding outputs? So here we have an output. This is the high. Remaining, these are the don't cares. These are the zeros. So for K map is don't cares and ones we have to draw the K map. For 1, what is the corresponding input? 0, 1, 1. So JC, for JC we are using K map. Where the JC is high or don't care, those values we have to place in the K map. Here is 1. What is the combination? 0, 1, 1. Corresponding input is 3. 0, 1, 1 is 1. Then still we have some other don't cares. So here don't care. What is the corresponding output? 4. For 4, 5, 6, 7 don't cares. 4, 5, 6, 7 don't cares. We are getting 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. These 4 cases my JC is don't care. So 4 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 don't care. 1, 0, 1, 5 don't care. And 1, 1, 0, 6 don't care. 1, 1, 1, 7 don't care. Okay, 4 don't cares, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 don't cares, 1, 1. So total 5 output states we have. So those combinations we have to take. This is for JC. For example, these are the combinational values for JC. Then simplify this one. Is there any formation of quad by using don't cares? No possibility. No possibility. First we have to check for quad. Why? Because we have 5 min terms. Okay, so there is no possibility for quad. Then go for pair. Okay, so pair is our main intention is to cover 1. To cover 1. 1 we have to cover. Okay, so with that 1, is there any formation of quad, pair, like that we have to observe. So there is no formation of quad, then go for the pair. This is the pair. This is the pair. So horizontally 0 and 1. There is no common terms. Vertically what we have? 1, 1. 1, 1 belongs to QB, QA. 1, 1 belongs to QB, QA. That's why JC is QB, QA. JC is QB, QA. For JC, we are using this 3 variable K map. Then you will get JC as QB, QA. Then go for KC. JC, KC, JB, KB, JA, KA, all those we have to find. For KC, again for KC, observe this. What are the corresponding outputs? In all combinations we got ones and don't cares. That's why all those we have to write. Where we have 1, first place ones. So at 4, 1, 0, 0, we are getting 1. 1, 0, 0, KC is 1. KC is 1. So 1, 0, 0, here is 1. 1, 0, 0, 4 cases 1. In remaining all cases, except this case, remaining all cases outputs are don't care. So don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. All don't cares I placed. By using this one, by covering this one, is there any possibility for octet? We have to check. So total we have 8 states. That's why we are checking octet. Okay. So 7 don't cares, 1, 1 we have. So if we are taking all our ones, then there is a formation of octet. That's why I am forming one octet like this. If all are covered in a K map, output is 1. KC is equal to 1. KC is equal to 1. Okay, then go for JB. Exactly same as JC, KC. Go for JB, KB and JA, KA. If you know this, remaining all are very easy. Then JB. JB here we have zeros, ones, don't cares, all we have. So that's why what are the ones and what are the don't cares, for that only we have to use K map. So here is 1 for JB, we are using for JB, here is 1, combination is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, here is 1, then, and go for any other ones, no ones, then for 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, all are don't cares, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2 is 0, 1, 0, this is 2, and 3 is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, all those are having don't case. That's why 1 and 5 don't case, total 6 outputs we have, 4, 5, 6, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this, is there any formation of octet? There is no possibility. Why? Because we have 6 min terms only. With the 6 min terms, there is no formation of octet. Then go for quad. So by covering this one, is there any formation of quad? You can observe. So let us take, this is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. then there is a formation of quad. And if you take this one, there is no formation. So if you consider these don't cares as ones, then there is a formation of quad. That's why I am considering this as quad here, quad. Horizontally there is no don't care, no common terms horizontally. Vertically 0 1 1 1 we have 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. In those, which one is common? 1 is common. 1 is common. 0 1 1 1. In those, 1 is common. 1 belongs to QA. QB, QA. Here QB and QA. QA is common. QB is not common. That's why QA. JB is QA. The same I will go for KB. KB, where we have highs and don't cares. Those terms we have to take. In this two case only we have 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here we are getting only 0. And in the same manner, we have 1 where at 3 case we have 1. At 3, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1 we have 1. Remaining all don't cares. For 3, 1. For 2, 0. Remaining all cases are don't cares. Remaining all cases are don't cares. That's why directly I am writing don't care, don't care, don't care. Okay. Then again we have to check the corresponding. Here also there is no formation of octet. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minterms we have. That's why let us go for quad. So if we take our intention is we have to cover all ones. So this one we have to cover. By covering this one, is there any formation for quad? We have to check. That is the K-map rule. So then don't care 1, don't care, don't care. He is forming one quad. Quad. That's why we have to take this one. Then again horizontally there is no common terms. Vertically 0, 1 and 1, 1. Again same as the previous one JB. Then Q 0, 1 QB and QA 1, 1. QA is common. Then KB also QA. JB QA and KB also QA. Then go for last one. JA KA. JA KA. In JA, let us take JA for JA. In JA also we have 0. At which combination? 1, 0, 0. 0 at 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Here we are getting 0. If you want, you may place zeros also. That is easy. Then where we have 1, here first case 0 case and 2 we are getting 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 2, 0, 1, 0, 2 is 1. Remaining all are don't case. Observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cases are don't case, 2 cases are 1. 2 cases are 1, 5 cases are don't case, so 1 is 0. First you have to place all the minterms. Then, is there any formation for again octet? Though no possibility, then go for quad. So these two ones we have to cover. These two ones we have to cover. Maybe there is a doubt for some persons. That is nothing but I am taking like this. Two ones covering like this. I am forming one pair. So don't do like that. That is a wrong. Why? Because here if you don't have this don't case, then you can take, no problem. That is a pair. But here by covering these ones, if we have don't case, let us take those as ones. Those as ones. That's why here there is a formation for quad. Quad. Okay. Then for this one, what are the common terms? Vertically there is no common term. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. There is no common term. Horizontally QC only we have. QC here 0 is nothing but QC bar. Here 0. That's why that related variable is QC bar. QC bar. Then go for KA. KA. Last one. KA. Here we have don't cares and ones only. That's why what are the ones? First you can check. Corresponding one is 0, 0, 1. 1 place and third. 1 and 3 are ones. 1. 0, 0, 1. This is 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. And third is 0, 1, 1, 3. This is also 1. Remaining all don't cares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 don't cares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 don't cares. Let us take simplification. Nothing but there is again formation of octet. Octet. Okay, 6 don't cares, 2 ones. If I will take don't cares as 1, then there is a formation of octet. So K is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. If in a K map all are covered, then K is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. These are the simplifications. Now go for the logic diagram. That is the last step in the counter design. That is logic diagram by using this K-map output expressions. From K-map we derived all those expressions for JC, KC, JB, KB and JA, KA. Then go for the logic diagram. So if you have any doubts regarding this, once again you have to practice this, then go for logic diagram. Here how many flip-flops we have? For mod 5 counter we have 3 flip-flops. So from the steps, this is flip-flop 1 or flip-flop A, flip-flop B and flip-flop C. 3 flip-flops we need. Okay. For A flip-flop, inputs are JA, KA and JA, KA, outputs are QA, QB bar, JB, KB, QB, QB bar for B. And for C, JC, KC are the inputs, QC, QC bar are the outputs. So we know about JA, KA, JB, KB, JC, KC. So we have to connect those terminals. Okay. What is JA? So what is JA? QC bar. JA is equal to QC bar. So QC already we know. So from QC bar is connecting to JA. Then what about KA? KA is equal to 1. Externally we are applying KA as 1. Okay. Then JB is QA. JB is this one. JB is connecting to QA. Directly QA is connecting to JB. That's why JB is equal to QA. And KB also QA. JB, KB both are QA. That's why from this I am connecting QA as KB. QA connecting to KB. So then JB, KB also over. Then JC, KC. And KC is equal to 1. Already we know. KC is here. KC value is 1. Then what about the JC, QB and QA or QB into QA? So we need one AND gate. I am taking one AND gate. What are the inputs? QB, QA. Already we know QA, one input, and QB, another input. QA and QB. QB is this one. Second flip-flop output QB and first flip-flop output QA. QA and QB are acting as output for JC. JC is connecting to JC. Okay. So and another important point, we are designing synchronous counter. That's why synchronous means whatever it may be the number of flip-flops we have, for all flip-flops clock is connecting simultaneously or nothing but single clock is connecting to the all the flip-flops. That is a synchronous counter. Here I am taking negative clock. If you want, you may take positive clock, no problem. Here I am connecting negative clock pulse for all flip-flops. These are all connecting to the single clock pulse. Okay, this is a synchronous counter. If it is asynchronous counter, we will apply clock to the first flip-flop, and next flip-flop output acting as the clock for the next flip-flop, and this flip-flop output acting as the clock for the next flip-flop, and so on. That is for asynchronous counter. But here in synchronous counter, in any synchronous counter, we have to connect clock to the all flip-flops simultaneously. Okay, this is the end of synchronous mod 5 counter using JK flip-flop. Like this, we have to design any type of counter. For example, 3-bit counter, counter using T flip-flop or JK flip-flop or D flip-flop. Like that, you may design any type of counter, 3-bit counter or mod 10 counter or decade counter. It may be also called as decade counter. Mod 10 is from 0 to 9. Okay, decade also from 0 to 9. Okay, so like this you may design any type of counter very easily. If you know this one, if you perfectly understand this topic, if you want to design 3-bit counter, mod 10 counter, decade counter, any counter is very easy, very easy. First of all, before going to discuss about design of any counter, we have to know flip-flop truth tables and flip-flop excitation tables. Then only this is very easy. Okay. Thank you. If you want, let us take this screenshot and comment on the comment box. We will discuss the remaining topics in the next class.